guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do 3D chrome nails, and I know that it's a struggle to find the perfect technique to do 3D chrome, but I hope this video will help you. So my nails are already buffed and prepped. The nails that I am using are the mascara medium almond nail tips. So first I'm going in with one layer of rubber-based gel to give it some extra strength. This step is optional if you would like to or not. If you want to see more nail designs, check out my Instagram page where I sell custom handmade press-on nails, and give me a follow. The base color that I chose was from Bling Girl 008. And I'm just going in with 2 coats of this color. And then I'm curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. This is what 2 coats of this gel looks like, and it is stunning. Now I'm going in with my top coat on all of the nails, and I'm going to cure it in the lamp for the full 60 seconds. I'm now taking my buffer block and I'm going to use the rough side. As you can see, I've already made use of this buffing block. So the part that I'm showing, I'm going to use that side. And what you want to do is you want to remove the shine of the top coat, but we don't want it to be removed all the way. We just want it to look like a matte surface. So you're going to go in and you're going to do that to all the nails. The nail should look like this. It's giving a matte finish, but it's not actually matte because we want our gel to stick nicely on the nail. Once you're done with that, you're just going to take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and wipe the dust away. Now I'm taking my black gel polish and I'm going to use this gel to draw my nail designs onto the nail. So you can draw anything that you want or anything that you prefer on the nail, and when you're done drawing your design, it is very important that you cure your nails in the lamp for the full 60 seconds or 90 seconds because every lamp is different. Gel that I'm going to be using is this thick 3-in-1 builder gel from Mascara. So what you want to do, because I have the container, I just dip my brush into the builder gel, which is a thin liner brush. I just dip it in and I pick up a small bead just like this, and that's what I'm going to use to draw my 3D designs. So you're just going to continue doing that on all of your nails, and depending on what design you did on each nail, you're just going to trace the outline with the 3D gel, and then you're going to cure in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. But before you cure it in the lamp for the full 60 seconds, once I'm done doing a design on one nail, I just put it in the lamp quickly for 30 seconds so that it can hold its shape and that it doesn't collapse, because you don't want that to happen with the 3D gel. So I go in with my design and then I cure it for 30 seconds in the lamp, or you can use your mini flush curing lamp to just cure it in place so that it doesn't move or it doesn't collapse. Now I'm taking my top coat and I'm going to go over the design only. So you can either use your gel liner brush just to go over the design like I'm doing here, or you can just take the brush from the top coat and just brush over the design. So you only want to get it on the design and not on the other part. And then you're going to cure this in the lamp once again for 60 seconds. Chrome that I'm going to be using today is the silver chrome, and this chrome I got it from my local beauty supply, or you can just check on Shein or Amazon if you prefer. And all you're going to do is just rub the chrome all over the design, and you can see that it's just sticking to that part where we put the top coat. And if it does go over, you can just go in with a brush and some acetone and just clean up where you messed up. So as you can see, it looks very, very shiny, and it's just sticking to that part, and that is what we want. So you're going to do that to all the nails. So when you're done with applying the chrome to all the nails, you can just take a small dust brush that I am currently using in this video, and you're just going to wipe away all of the chrome particles that you don't want. What I also like to do is take a sponge and just go over the nail just to remove any of the chrome that I don't want sticking to the parts that I don't need the chrome to be in, and I also go under the nail as well. So now I'm taking base coat because this is very important for it to keep it shine. In my recent video, I used builder gel, which is also another good thing, but you can use top coat. You can use base coat as well. So you go in with your base coat on all of the nails, and that is just going to help the nail keep it shine because it has chrome and everything. So I have bottles that are labeled differently. So this base coat, I only use it for chrome and nothing else. So you're going to go over the nail with your base coat and you're going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. And once you're done with that, then you take your top coat and you put it on all of your nails and you're done. And that is how you do 3D chrome nails. It's very simple, very easy. I think this design is a very all year round design that anyone can do, and it just came out so pretty. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know what you guys think in the comments.